Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Alexa in Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. First way, if you have Alexa on TV, open Settings, All Settings. General, Voice, Voice Assistant, select Alexa and set up Alexa. Second way, use Alexa app. Open SmartThings app. Devices, add device. Select TV. Add your Samsung TV to SmartThings app. Open Alexa app. Devices. Add. Add device. Select TV, Samsung, yes. Next, log into your SmartThings account. Your TV must be transferred from the SmartThings app to the Alexa app. That's it. Now you know how to use Alexa in Samsung Smart TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.